Do you want to create a beautiful custom wedding invitation cards? You're in the right place. With the Cricut machine, you can easily design professional-looking wedding invitation right at home, without spending a fortune on printing services. In this video, I'll show you how to create a wedding invitation card using Cricut Design Space and your Cricut machine. We'll go through the process step by step, from design to the finished invitation. If you need extra help, feel free to call the number on your screen. Otherwise, let's get started. Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. First, open up Cricut Design Space on your computer. Alright, now click on the New Project to start with the fresh canvas. This is where all the magic happens. Next, click on the Shapes option in the left menu. Select a rectangle shape and resize it to match the size of your wedding invitation card. Once you've got your base shape sized the way you want it, go ahead and choose the color you like. Pick something elegant that matches your wedding theme. Now, click on the text tool and type your wedding invitation message. Feel free to change the text color to match your wedding theme. Adjust the font size as needed and move the text around until everything looks just the way you want. If you want to add some extra fancy elements to your invitation, click on the Operation drop-down menu and select Pen to add decorative lines or flourishes. Once everything looks absolutely perfect and you're happy with your design, go ahead and click the green Make It button at the top right of the screen. This tells Cricut that you're ready to cut. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully and make sure to select your cardstock type. And hey, while you're doing this, please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of the future Cricut tutorial and craft videos. Now, load your mat with the cardstock into your Cricut machine. Make sure the mat is loaded correctly and insert the pen into one of the tool holders on the machine. Alright, now you're ready to cut. Look at your Cricut machine and you should see flashing button on the front. Press the button and just let your Cricut do its thing. Finally, your beautiful custom wedding invitation card is ready. Once cutting is complete, go ahead and remove your mat from the machine and carefully peel away your finished invitation. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button. For more easy to follow tutorials, don't forget to subscribe our channel. You can also visit mannymaker.com for more DIY inspiration and creative crafting ideas. And if you ever need technical support or guidance, just give us a call at the contact number shown on the screen.